Hey, what's going on? This your boy Sean Breed. And like I mentioned in a lot of previous posts, a lot of times I just don't speak about myself. I don't speak about my projects. Um, but I do speak about situations, news, events, things that I've seen, things that I've witnessed that I want to speak out about. And basically, in this video posting, I need to speak about my people. And when I say my people, I'm talking about my black people. You know what I mean? My people. I know everybody got problems, and I know everybody, uh, are dealing with situations. But right now, I got to speak about my community and my people's situation that's going on. Today was a beautiful day. Um, it was a beautiful day, and I'm pretty sure y'all witnessed that or whatever. But I need to speak about my black people, you know what I mean? Like, and I shouldn't say my black people. I'm talking about, it's not a race thing. I'm talking about my people in the inner city, in the urban communities, in the hood, basically. Um, you know, it's a real sad sight to see sometimes. As you're driving around sometimes and you see the plight of our people. And I'm pretty sure, and that's why I don't pass judgment, because I'm pretty sure at some time or another, I was that person where someone would drive by on the street and see, me and say, oh, he up to no good, or he doing nothing with his life, And I was just the opposite of that. I mean, at that time, I probably was a stupid little knucklehead, not doing nothing with his life, but I always thought about the next step. You know what I mean? And whenever I was doing something, I was never just about lingering around. And that's what I see a lot of our dudes doing too much, or I assume that that's what they're doing. You know what I mean? Just lingering around. Like, if you're doing something, like get money out of it, you know, get some sort of progression out of it. You know what I mean? Don't just hang around. You know what I'm saying? And you know, I seen a lot of like young dudes, and they going through things, and this is a product of their environment and a product of their upbringing. And I just think that artists such as myself, I think that's what we're lacking in music, and that's what I try to bring to the table with my music. Probably not a lot of music that you've heard from me, single radio driven songs, but it get deeper than that, especially with my new LP, Gasoline on the Sun. It get real deeper. You know what I mean? I can't just turn my face to the plight of what's going on in the ghetto and in the inner cities. I can't turn my face no more. I can't do it. I got this platform to speak on, and I have to speak on it. You know what I mean? It's not good. I don't like the outlook. I know we got a black president, and I know, what I mean, we're making progression, what I mean, from 1960, 1950, when the movement really began really strong, up until now. We've made a lot of progression. I know this. You know what I mean? But I want progression done outside of being a rap artist and outside of becoming, a sports figure, or a comedian or actor. Those things are great, but there's other things to get involved with, and I want to see more of that. I really do with my people. I want to see more than that. You know what I mean? And sometimes, it really brings tears to my heart. You know what I mean? Because I want us to be a better people, and, I'm just one voice, and I'm hoping that I'm going to be a strong voice with the release of my album, Gasoline on the Sun. I'm hoping I could be a real strong voice, and I'm going to push for that, because ultimately, that's my calling. You know what I mean? My calling is to touch people. You know what I mean? It just so happened to be through music. But that's my calling, to touch people and to inspire people and want them to better themselves, you know. And we got to stop what we doing out there, you know what I mean? I log on to the computer every morning and I see murders in the community and a lot of nonsense that shouldn't be going on. You know what I mean? And I've witnessed as a young kid, as a young child, I witnessed one of the worst errors that we could ever be involved with, and that's the crack era. So I've seen that. I've seen murders, and I've seen like stuff that no child should even see. You know, so in comparison to that, yeah, it's gotten better, you know, but it ain't still where we should be. You know what I mean? And you know what I mean? I need comments, you know what I mean? I mean, especially from, I know there's a lot of Facebook hood niggas out there, you know what I mean? I know them personally. Some of them my friends, you know what I mean? That's been there, done that, like all of it. You know what I mean? When I say all of it, like all of it. Anything you could do in the street, they've done. You know what I mean? Y'all don't know it because they may do a little like or make a little comment on my page. You don't know the history. There's a lot of dudes like that. And those are dudes I'm calling. I need to hear from y'all. You know what I mean? Females too. I need to hear from because y'all witness all this too. Y'all, you know what I mean? Some of y'all mans, your husbands, your fathers was that. You know what I mean? So I really need it. You know what I mean? I need us to come together and really try to make something big out of this. That's my plight. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm going to do with all my heart to the day I'm under the ground. You know what I mean? God is on my side. Nobody could be against me. Sean Breed. 1.